Guys, I found another 3 secret websites you can literally use to create your videos and your images unlimited and for free. Some of them offers you daily credit, while some you can access Sidance 2.0 absolutely free. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can access this secret website and keep generating unlimited videos and images. And guys, you don't want to miss it. Let's go. So guys, the very first platform you're going to be looking at is on your screen right now. Please pay attention on the logo and the link I'm clicking. Okay, Inksmind, that is the platform. And this platform offers you top models such as Students 2.0, Clean AI, one, and all of that. So you're going to make your choice and decide what to use. So this is what the platform looks like the moment you log in and sign up successfully. All right. So what we are going to be doing now is we are going to be signing up and logging. Okay, now you can see some people can offer you photo to video, text to video, and all of that. So the moment you sign up, okay, or log in, you'll be given 50 credits. Okay, and don't use it yet. Okay, I will show you how you can top up more credit to enable you to use one of the top models like Students 2.0 and generate. And also remember that you can literally use a different email here, different emails, like using different emails. These are what other creators are using this platform to create. You can see how realistic and how amazing the interface looks like. And then these are the tools that are available. So we are going to be using our video effect, okay, video generation tool. All right, so look at our model, and then this is where the recent generated work is going to appear, and you, like I said, have multiple emails where you can change and all of that. How you be gaining your free credit, what you need to do is every day, okay, you want to claim all the credits, okay, on the platform. You can use this method. Just click on that little box that is there, all right, and then claim every day. Now what you need to do is just to watch a short ad. The moment that ad is done playing, you're going to have 10 credits. You do the same thing for the second one. So keep watching ads and claim all of it. That will enable you to use any of the model that is a little bit high, like Students 2.0 and others, okay, on this platform. So you can see you have how many ads to watch. So if you can be patient enough to watch all the ads, good for you. You can use this for free as long as this platform is here. And then you can create a different email, right, and keep claiming the credit this way. By so doing, you'll be able to have enough credits to use for your project. Let me know if you'll be trying this out. So let's go ahead and create something using Sidance 2.0, and I'm going to select my aspect ratio after pasting my prompt. Right, I'm going to reduce that resolution to 480p, and everything is done, right, and I'm going to go ahead and hit generate, because you can see it costs 80 credit, and that 80 credit is already there. So for you to keep generating, just use this process, watch ads, and and then keep watching ads just some seconds, and then you're done. So before you know it, it will start analyzing your videos, your prompt, and getting set for your video to be ready. And the moment everything is done, you're going to see the quality of this video. So you're going to tell me in the comment section how you feel about this. Now remember, I'm still doing my research, bringing up tools that you can keep using to generate your videos for free without having to pay yet. You can go ahead and click that download and then wait for the video to load up. Okay, once it loads up, you're going to see download. It's going to be downloaded into your desktop or your mobile phone. Please guys, no negative comment, because these are free platforms. They are not asking you to pay yet. So if they are giving you free credit, please go ahead and utilize it, okay, for the meantime, and when you're ready to upgrade to the paid version. All right, so guys, let's move to the next tool. And this is like my favorite, guys. This is magic hour. Please take note of the interface so that when you open it up, you'll be able to identify. Okay, so the moment to open up this interface, I want to see this amazing platform where you have all these options. And you can see you have Students 2.0 here, and you have GPT image 2 here. So go ahead and sign up. Always sign up, okay? And this also offers you free daily credits. Then log into the platform with your email account and then get ready to proceed. So the moment you are into the interface, just like you're seeing here, then let's generate a video. Then look up here, you're going to see how much credit that you've given. Guys, skip it, okay? How do you plan to use this? You can spend time to answer these questions, okay? But this is not necessary for this video. We don't want that. Okay, I need to cut out this part. So go ahead and log in. Okay, once you log in, you're going to see you have free credits. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and answer these questions. Okay, just a few time, and you can skip it though if you want to skip it. But I mean, you can spend a little time to just give some, so they can be able to get, yeah. So now you are in. So you see, you have how many credit there, guys? That is insane. You see, you can claim these credits. You have another credit to claim every day. So once you claim that, start generating your videos. So guys, this is amazing because it actually gives you chance to literally use free credit and also claim daily credit. So let me know what you think about this also in the comment section. We are literally going to also create something for you to see what it looks like and how it looks like. Okay, so guys, see all the models, see everything, image to video. If you have image reference, you can use it. Yeah, I actually have an image reference, so let's use one image reference here. I have this beautiful, amazing woman here, so I'm going to paste a simple prompt. Okay, just a simple prompt to illustrate how this platform works, and you can see how much this video is going to cost me after. I want to generate, see how much credit we are going to use. So it's not that much. It's something you can literally use to keep generating. So you can select the frame if you want to add any effect. Yeah, you want to add any of the effects here, you can click that use effect. Okay, so for me, do you think I should use any effects here? I don't think it's necessary, so I can go ahead and proceed with what I want to do, because I don't think it's necessary for this particular image here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and generate. But hey guys, you need to realize that you need to set your aspect ratio. Very important. Okay, very, very important, because if you don't set it right, you're not going to get the right result. And then set your duration and every other thing that needs to be set, just like the interface has provided you with. Okay, the audio is already on, so you can hear the sound. If there is any sound like dialogue or something. So once you've done with that, go ahead and hit generate. And hey guys, it is already starting. It will start processing step by step, and before you know it, the real interface pops up. And hey guys, your video will soon be ready, so watch out for the result. Hey guys, the result is here, so let's go ahead and play it for us to see. So everything is ready, so go ahead and hit that download, and everything is ready. So go ahead and use this platform as well to create your amazing videos. So guys, let's move to the next stage. Digen AI. And guys, this one, a lot of content creators are still sleeping on this particular AI video generator. The moment to log in, and as you can see, the moment to log in and sign up to the platform, you're going to be given free credits, of course, to use for your generation. It's very important you pay attention to this part, because a lot of people are still sleeping on it. They're not using it to the okay. So go ahead and close up all of this pop-up, and then you're going to see you're given 715 credits, free credit. And guys, with this 715 credits, you can literally generate longer form videos depending on your script. And you see you have all these models available for you to use, to start using. So if you're already not using this platform, please start using it. And like you can see, you can upload multiple images and generate as many videos as you want. And hey guys, I'm using Cadence 2.0 here, and you can see it's going to work. So let's generate our first video. So we are going to go ahead and paste in my prompt, and I'll hit generate, and in no time it's going to generate. My video is here, and then you can see it's very, very realistic. I'm going to play for us to see, so watch this. And guys, you can see how magical that is, and how realistic and cinematic that looks, because you can literally use your editing platform to, remove the watermark. So if you're okay with it, you go ahead and hit that downward arrow that says download. In my next video, I will show you how you can use most of these free AI platforms to create long-form videos, maintaining consistency and perfect lip sync. And you don't want to miss this. Go ahead and turn on the notification of this channel so you don't miss that video when it is uploaded. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.